Today we are looking at a free app called Music Tutor, which students can use to practice their music note recognition. The first element of this app students can use is the bass and treble reference chart. That'll show them what they should be looking for when they play this activity. Students can look at this chart while they're learning notes in class and use them as a reference to learn the difference between the bass clef, which is the lower clef, and the treble clef. Now if we go back to the main menu, we can look at our options for how we want to organize our activity. When you go to options, you can choose between just practicing treble or bass notes or practicing both. You can set the range at which you want to practice the notes. Right now it's set to the full keyboard. You can set the duration you would like to practice, and other options such as sounds and turning off sharp and flats, which sharps and flats aren't really introduced until upper middle school or upper elementary school, so it would be a great option to turn off for younger grades. Right now we're going to look at the notes option, which I think is the most useful of this app. In the note names options, you can change the preference of whether you want to use note names, like on a keyboard, or solfege syllables, which are often used in elementary music classes. Solfege is not a common aspect of many apps, so it's a very excellent feature on this app. Now that we have the options set to how we want them, we can start playing the game. If you press right here, it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. You can set your preference for music notes, like here, where that's also where you would see the solfege, or you can set it to piano keys, like here. As you play the activity and try more keys, your accuracy is shown in the corner and your score right here. It'll count down from the duration that you set and then give you your score at the end of the time. So that's Music Tutor, and as I said, this is a great tool for early elementary students to practice note recognition on keyboards and on the staff.